Hi lovers, Doc Vin here, and this year we are proud to announce our continuous partnership with the Miss International Queen Philippines on their 2026 All-Star Edition, a platform that celebrates the beauty, strength, and leadership of trans women in the Philippines. So love yourself, our mission has always been about community empowerment, access to healthcare, and creating safe spaces where people can live authentically and without stigma. Kaya napaka-meaningful para sa amin ang partnership na ito. Just working closely with the Miss International Queen Philippines, nakikita namin kung gaano talaga nabibigyan ng platform na ito ang mga trans women, hindi lang para mag-shine on stage, kundi para maging advocates, leaders, and role models for the community. Miss International Queen Philippines is more than just a pageant. Isa itong powerful platform for visibility, representation, and opportunity. It creates spaces for trans women to share their stories, showcase their talents, and inspire others to live with courage and pride. Beyond the stage and the spotlight, mahalaga rin na sustainable ang platform like this. For advocacy empowerment to continue, kailangan ng strong partnerships, meaningful collaborations, and support that allow these spaces to grow and thrive. When we invest in platforms that uplift communities, especially those who have been marginalized, we help create pathways for leadership, better health, and economic empowerment. Through Love Yourself and MIQPH 2026 All-Star Edition, we hope to continue promoting not just pride and representation, but also wellness, dignity, and lasting impact for the trans community. So we invite everyone to support Miss International Queen Philippines 2026 All-Star Edition. Stay tuned for the upcoming events, updates, and inspiring journeys of our candidates. Because when communities support each other, mas lumalakas ang boses natin. Mas maraming buhay ang nabibigyan ng pagkakataong mag-shine. We look forward to celebrating this journey with all of you.